Charles Kelly at kellycharlie.com. We are making some spinach and eggs today. Now we got peppers in here, sauteing them in a little bit of olive oil. We got all kinds of peppers that come out of the garden. We got bell pepper, lunchbox pepper, jalapeno pepper, every pepper you can possibly think about. Now then, we're going to take this spinach and put it right in there on top of all that. It's going to be a little bit different. This is going to be great tasting stuff. We're just going to heat up the spinach a little bit. Stir it around. Then we're going to take some sausage here. Kind of cut it up a little bit here and there. Get a little more flavor in there. Then we're going to put some eggs over in there. Stir it up some more. Alright, here goes the eggs. That's going to make a pretty good pan of food. And this old almond skillet be really good and healthy. Now this is what it's going to look like basically after those eggs get done. I mean, they're going to gel in there really good. Beginning to turn a little green now. All them peppers and stuff is going to be kind of spicy. It's going to be just about done here shortly. When it gets a little more solid, well, this is going to be it. I'll cook it a little bit, tad more.